For this you are going to need an app called Rikken Power. So let's go ahead and install the app. I already have this app installed, so I don't need to do that anymore. Once you are done, just open it, register using your registered email ID and mobile, and once you are done, you can go ahead and see your meter balance and everything. So on this interface, the very important button, a very important icon is the very middle icon, status view. This is where you get every detail. For example, how much is the load allocated to your connection, how much was your opening balance, how much is your current consumption for the month, and how much is your balance, and whether the electric line right now is on backup DC or the main line, and many more details like that. But the main focus of this video is to show you how to see the balance. So right now, let me show you. This was the opening balance for the month. This was the balance that I did when I recharged for 600 more bucks, and this is my current usage for the month, and this is the current balance. So out of this, I still have this much left for this month. This was your meter reading for your main line, and this is your meter reading for the DC. This shows that the electricity is on the main line right now. Otherwise, if the backup is running, the green light is on DC, and in case there is low balance on the meter, you will see LB. I am not aware of these two, SM and OL. I think OL is meant for overload, and SM I don't know. So these are the status indicators and active power being used right now in your place. This is that thing. So once you are done checking the balance, you can go ahead and do that meter recharge. But let me show you if recharge using this app works. Unfortunately, it didn't work for me, but see if it works for you. Coupon code, I don't know, what is it, last transaction statuses, you can see whether it was successful or not successful. They have an option of e-recharge, but I don't think it works because it didn't work for me. I was trying to do it with PayPal because that's the only option they have to do the recharge, but it didn't work for me. So I had to look for an alternative option, and the alternative is your Paytm. Go to your Paytm and then look for options like electricity. So when you tap on electricity, you find two options: electricity boards and apartments. So click on apartments and input your city, which is Noida for me. All right, and then you need to look for a society name, I guess. So let me see if I find, yeah, Supertech Eco City. I find this option. And the utility type is Rikken meters for me. You need to check with your maintenance facility what kind of meters are installed in your society. In my society, I have Rikken meters, so I have selected Rikken meters. My apartment number. Alright, so I get the details of my connection, and I can proceed with the recharge. So put in your amount here and then select a payment method. Yeah, one quick tip here: do not use your Paytm balance as well as an alternative payment method as a combination, because this is going to delay the payment and it's going to stuck for millennium. So once this is done, you can go back to your app and go to the last recharge status, and once it's updated in Paytm, you will find an entry here at the top. So this is how you recharge without visiting the maintenance facility. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope this was useful for you, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this. I keep uploading videos of this kind. I just want to make the world a better place. So please support me in my endeavor. Thank you so much. Have a good day.